A harmonica. Low. Neat. You okay?
Can I get my big present?
No, we'll go open those in a minute. Wow, Santa got you a lot of stuff. That's it, huh? No more?
I want another present.
I know, Ella.
So I can use the big present.
You know what? That's fun, huh? Why don't you hold up and show Daddy what all the stuff you got from Santa? What's that?
Bubbles and dinosaur. Bubbles and dinosaur. A kazoo.
Where's the kazoo?
It's a harmonica.
A kazoo. A kazoo and a roller.
This is
Pencils.
Very nice.
I'll play music. Can have a music party in here.
Go ahead. Nice. You can make all kinds of sounds with that.
Mommy, can I open my big present?
Yes. Would you like to do that now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, one of my toys. It's a Hello Kitty coloring book.
Wow. Santa must have left that too. I don't remember that one.
Who's that from?
Oh, no.
It's from Santa.
It's from Santa,
Oh.
Dad.
Who's that one from? Is that from Santa too?
That one's from Grandma and Pop Pop.
Ah.
Maybe this is a stroller.
So? Is it a stroller? Let's see. Wow, cool.
It almost hit my hand.
Oh, are you okay?
Because it's so hard.
What's next?
When can I open the giant present?
Is that the one you want to open next? Go ahead.
You mean this one, the big silver one?
I'll start with the little ones
Okay.
first.
How do you know this is your present?
Because look it.
What is that?
A E and a L and an A.
Oh, so that's Ella.
Yes, but I can't open my present.
Okay, hold on.
Just what I wanted.
Wow, what is it?
It's my whole jungle.
Jungle set.
This is just what I wanted.
Oh.
Share it with Mom and Dad, okay? Share it with Mom, okay? Because it's Mom's present too. Know that? Are you using your finger like scissors?
Mm-hmm. Okay, pull. Pull harder.
Oh, it might be stuffing.
Here, let me give you a hand. All right.
Oh,
What is that?
a horsey.
Oh.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Oh, good.
so cute.
You have to think of a name for it. And whether it's a boy or a girl. Are you gonna ride?
Yeah.
Okay. What is
The
that?
planet.
I think more specifically, it's
A bulb.
Moon in my room
Moon in my room.
with light up lunar phases.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That's high tech.
And another book.
Another one.
Yes, it's called Seeing Stars.
Art. It's my own art collection.
Baby Rembrandt, yes.
It's actually an easel.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it
Yes,
is.
it is. You can use it to paint, to draw. There's a chalkboard, a tray to hold all your supplies.
Stop wrapping my present, Dad. It's mine, so you can't wrap it.
That's right.
I'm not trying to wrap it. I'm trying to help you unwrap it.